fantastic mood, so friendly, so and so much, and also emotional, very friendly, cordial, lot of affection between our leader, lot of affection for Siddaramaiah ji actually. Venugopal ji said that we salute you because of the way you have conducted yourself and the way you have handled the whole thing. It's been a message to the entire country, and his services can never be forgotten, and his services will be needed in the future also. That is one thing. Second thing, unanimously, the party left it to High Command, and High Command chose Shivakumar ji as the leader. And I think it is, for us, it's an unforgettable day. I think because it shows how if people can work together, all this so many times egos and personal issues become so important in politics. But today, I think the way Siddaramaiah ji and DK Shivakumar and our General Secretaries Venugopal ji and Surjewala ji handled it was really wonderful, emotional, and it was like something that we will never forget in our lives.
Choosing cabinet is another challenge.
That I think challenge is a part of politics, but we are all united, we are all together, and our goal is very clear: to deliver, to give good governance, and to win the next election.